Alright, it is the weekend. August 28th, 2021. Tyler Hayes here. 12/12 coming to you north of Ladysmith along the Canadian National Superior Sub. As this is the last official weekend of August before we get ready to go into September. This is a special today. It is because we're going to have a foreign power visitor on a all-rail or MT, and it is a veterans unit also, and that is Kansas City Southern SD70ACE 4006. It is rear DPU nose in on the U723 today, and it was last in Wapaka as of 9:34 and should right now be at point for it makes the afternoon run northbound and return to Minntac, Minnesota, to have her reloaded with brand new all-rail or taconite in tow to have it sent back down to Louisiana. Coming up for Operation Lifesavers Rail Safety Week, that'll be coming up in September. It will be the week of September 20th through the 26th. This year's theme for Rail Safety Week will be Operation Clear Track. So if you want to know more about that or want to be involved as one of the Operation Lifesaver volunteers, just like I am, visit their website at oli.org if you want to be a part of Operation Lifesavers Rail Safety Week. You can also participate at the locations where the Operation Lifesaver tent will be set up around Wisconsin. So law enforcement is going to be teaming up with the railroad as well for the Operation Clear Track maneuver. Just to use caution when that time comes, but it's still a few weeks away otherwise. It's currently quiet right now, but hopefully the U723 will be ready to make its arrival in the next several minutes, which may be up to maybe a couple hours at best. We'll just have to see for now. But we might squeeze in a few others before I will conclude with the moment that I will be waiting for. U723 as the rear DPU of the veterans unit of KCS 4006. So with that said, let's hang tight and wait for the first train of the special on a humid afternoon, because we're calling for a severe weather threat to also occur at this time, because we currently have Tornado Watch 468 remaining in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for most of west central, north central, and northwestern Wisconsin, and areas in east central, northeast, central, and north central Minnesota. So that's where a big cluster of thunderstorms are currently breaking out at this time. So Alright, let's hang tight and wait for our first train of our special in the meantime as we lean back. Alright, I've relocated to downtown. Gotta have a southbound on the way to start off our special. Let's check out what our leader in power is and what train we have as we lean back and get him. Here we go. Gate drop. P5's out here. 755. Q train. A5698 with 8941 second out. Q118. Here's the last of Q118, DDDX 761098. Alright, 1406. Northbound are on the way. That met the 118. Check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. ES44 to lead. Norfolk Southern Power, what was it doing here? Wow! And I saw me my first NS Tier 4! And another AC44C6M! Say this B781. Last of it, MWCX481 852. What a catch! I was not expecting Norfolk Southern Power today, but why not? Wow! That'll do it for the B781. All right, 1456. This might possibly be the moment I've been waiting for. Looks like we may have an EMD to lead for our northbound that may have came out of point, but ditch lights are not fully lit up for the unit that's in front. Let's see what we have as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Gate drop. Are you kidding me? That's the Veterans Unit of 4006 of Kansas City Southern! She's on a manifest now! There's 3270 as well! Dead in tow! After all, picked up extra cars at point. My goodness! I guess the KCS 4006 had to switch it up. Now we brought it up front. 3270 must have died out when it got to point. 4006 of Kansas City Southern leads. And that will conclude the special for today, and it is the moment I was waiting for. I thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I will see you down the main line. What a catch! Here's the last of U723 to conclude the special. CRIX 45063. See you next time. Tyler Hayes out.